Hello, I'm Kevin from CryptoMY. Ever imagine video calling your favorite idol? What about receiving free NFT drops by time to time? In today's episode, I'm going to talk about a trending project called Gemie and teach you how to get whitelisted of their first NFT, which is free minting. So let's stay tuned. Previously, I actually recommend on an upcoming good project, which is Gemie, an Asia leading entertainment metaverse. For those who haven't really watched my previous video, click here, somewhere here, to watch back that previous episode, so you will get a better understanding why this is actually a good project to invest on. So let's talk more on Gemie first NFT, which is the Gemie VIP pass that are coming minting in early March. There are a few reasons that I personally think that Gemie VIP pass is actually a good investment. So let me try to iron out the benefits of a VIP pass holder. Of course, the first benefit, which is the NFT drops. With Gemie VIP Pass, you were able to get free NFT airdrops, and this round, you were able to get 2 unique NFT of top K-pop groups, and the groups will actually be revealed soon. So if you want to know more about it, stay tuned on Gemie Twitter. Not only that, the lucky ones would even video call a K-pop group in the Gemie Metaverse or win IRL products such as K-pop merchandise. Of course, the second, the benefit will be Metaverse. Gemie VIP pass holder will have a priority access to Gemie Metaverse event. And the first virtual event in Gemie happening in early 2023 will be featuring 2 of the K-pop groups. And the upcoming virtual event also got the hosting a talent show, Metaverse Got Talent, featuring SOB System and City Pop Tokyo as well. Last but not least, of course, the third benefit, Whitelist spot of partners NFT. I can tell you, Gemie shows very good support to other NFT projects, as VIP pass holder could receive some top trending NFT project while getting whitelist spot. Awesome, right? But how to participate actually is quite simple. You just have to go down to my description below, click on the Gleam IO link, and finish up the task accordingly, and you were able to unlock some of the entries to participate in the whitelist to get VIP pass from Gemie. Thus, go and feel free to check out the latest update in their social media, as well as especially their Twitter their Discord, so that you don't kind of miss out anything at all. And to summarize all this, I think Gemie is kind of like a good investment for me, because looking at their overall progression, they are listed in Kucoin. They already launched their alpha stage in 2022. You're already able to play their metaverse, and there's a lot of upcoming major events with all the big K-pop artists. Kind of make me think that this is actually a very good place for it to be hyped. This project, and also worthy to mint the VIP pass. So last but not least, please do your own research, and I think that's all for today's episode. If you like my episode today, remember to click like, share, and subscribe. Gonna see you guys soon, and